What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike and in today's video, we will be cooking a classic quick and easy carbonara. Before we get started, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me in Instagram and in Twitter. Without further ado, our classic quick and easy to prepare carbonara coming right up. And here are the ingredients of our classic recipe carbonara. We need a handful of spaghetti noodles, few slices of bacon, good amount of parmesan cheese, eggs, and a pinch of ground black pepper. So simulan na natin ang pagluto ng ating carbonara. First is we need to boil our water and cook our spaghetti noodles according to each package direction. If our spaghetti noodles is done, we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna cook the rest of our ingredients. In a separate pan over medium-high heat, ilagay po natin ang ating bacon. Let's tender the pan coming from the bacon dahil ito ang gagawin natin pinaka-base ng ating sauce. So our bacon is ready. Surrender na natin ang kanyang fat. Pwede na natin ihalo dito ang ating spaghetti noodles. Then we're gonna add a little bit or at least 2 scoops of pasta water into our pan. At this point, we can turn off the stove and allow our pasta to cool down a little bit. Then, i-pour out na natin ang beaten egg and parmesan cheese mixture sa ating pasta. Then, haluin natin mabuti to incorporate the eggs and parmesan cheese mixture sa ating pasta. Then we're gonna sprinkle it with ground black pepper, and more parmesan cheese. O ayan guys, luto na ang ating classic, quick and easy to prepare carbonara. O diba guys, napakadali lang lutuin ang ating recipe for today. Perfect ito sa anumang klase ng handaan. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this video, please feel free to drop them at the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon notification for more updates. And guys, please follow me on my other social media accounts. Thank you and happy cooking! See you next time. Bye-bye!